Today I'm going to show how to create the AWS API Gateway for accessing the Lambda with CORS enabled. Okay, so let me quickly go through that. So first click on the create method and click on post request. I'm going to create a post request, so I'm creating post method. Then choose the Lambda function. Okay, so then create select your region. Okay, and select your Lambda function, then click on save. Okay, so I'm giving permission and okay, so let me test my request quickly. Okay, yeah, my method is completed with success 200. Okay, now I'm going to try with my local um, whether I'm able to access through it. So I'm using the Chrome developer tools to hit whether I'm able to do this or not. So I have the request, JavaScript request. Okay, so I have to deploy these changes. Okay, I'm going to create, I'm deploying it in dev stage. Okay, so now let me, yeah, now I got this error. So um, it says like no access control allow urgent header is present on the required resources. So I'm going to add like enable the CORS into this thing. So there is in actions, if you see that there is an enable CORS, so just take the defaults and just enable the CORS. Then deploy this API. Okay, let's recheck again whether we get rid of this issue or not. Okay, still I'm getting the same issue. Yeah, now I got it.